I just wanted to bring these two little gems out here to see how they would fly outside before I shipped them out. So Eric and Ron Brown will know if they're outside worthy by watching me before they even get it. So I'm gonna start up the Flying Man. We're gonna do him first. I think it's on. It's hard to tell when these things are actually on or not on. It's hard to see the light on there. We'll try it out, see what happens. Okay, it's bound up. Yay. Let's take off. So I'm going to put it in the higher rate. That seems fine. Now don't forget, the range on these things is very small. It's like 50 feet or 35 feet, something like that. 50 to 35 feet. Let's try those maneuvers. I'm trying to avoid whacking a pole. Like whack-a-mole, whack a pole. Okay, so that was that maneuver, which acted a little goofy. Inside it does it a little bit different, but we'll try it out, this other one. Yes, most definitely it acts a little, there's this little breeze, man, it really affects it, trust me. Okay, all right. So there's the Flying Man. Okay, we'll just have to crash land him. I hit the land button and he went in my hand and he didn't stop. Okay, he landed but didn't want to stop running. Okay, so I'm done with this. I won't fly it no more. That's the end of the road. End of the road for the Flying Man for me. So this will be going out to Ron. This is the Flying Man box right here. We'll put the controller in first. And I'll stuff it with stuff and pack it up. Now we're going to see how the Flying Motorcycle Man rolls outside, which I'm expecting it to be kind of the same because they did fly kind of the same. You can't tell if them things are turned on or not. It's very hard to see if they're turned on or not. I guess they are. Let's just take off and see what happens. This one here, the steering is a little tighter. Don't ask me why. I'm not an engineer. Okay, so let's try the little built-in doodads there, built-in maneuvers. Okay, if I could get it to sit still here. keeps wanting to go all the time, take off on me. I didn't do the level calibration on them before I took off, so, but you know, big deal. Okay, big deal. Because they are drifting a little bit, but the wind's coming this way too, so these things just might be bad in the wind. Yeah, they're not good in the wind at all. I'll tell you that right now. So, just so you guys will know, they're not for wind. Any kind of breeze is going to mess around with these things. Now, I'm not going to try out the range because I really don't want to lose the vine. I don't want to crash them because I'm sending them out. So, you know, they're mint condition. The only time I ever flew them was the one inside and then out here. This is the only time they've ever taken off. So basically they're brand new stuff. All right. So that's working for me. Let's see if we can get him to land. Oh, the dude went flying. Okay, whiplash. Whiplash on the flying man. Or the flying motorcycle man. But anyway, who cares, right? Who gives a crap? Anyway, the flying motorcycle man. It's got that little pin, or that little hole, and then that little pin coming out of his ass, and he sits right on there. Somehow. You'll get him on there. You'll get him, Eric. And then you put his hands on the grips. So that's how that's going to work. Just like that. Okay, let me turn him off. Let me turn off the transmitter. Put him in his box. And then off to the post office I'll go next week. So. Yay. No, he came off. I didn't push. You have to push his ass down into the hole. Okay, to lock it in. And I just set it on there, but who cares? Okay. Who gives a crap? Alright guys, there you go. The flying motorcycle man and the flying man. Alright guys, there they go. They fly fine outside, but just the wind is wow. Any little bit of wind and they're going all over the place. Alright guys, have a nice day.